Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we're back in Revit and we're going to look at inserting a PDF plan into Revit. Okay, so sometimes when you're working on a project you want to bring in a existing drawing or plan. You can do that. You can bring in images. We're going to bring in a PDF. So I'm using Revit 2020. And we can insert a PDF into our Revit file, and we can use that as the basis for creating our existing building. Okay, so all we have to do is go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, choose PDF, and then find the PDF that you want to use. Click Open, and you will see all of the pages or thumbnails of those pages available for you to bring in to this particular level. So here we have number one, which has got a couple of floor plans in. I'm going to select that and click OK, and this is going to allow me to place this PDF into my project as a reference. Okay, so here it is. Now this PDF was absolutely to scale at A1, and that means that in this instance that the drawing is a perfect fit. So let's move this into place. I'm using the Shift key and the cursor keys just to bring this into place, and you can see that the grid lines are going to match up perfectly. Okay, so let's get that in there, and you can see that everything fits to scale, which is fantastic. That's super easy, but you need to bear in mind that this often isn't the case. And if you've downloaded plans from a local council or something like that, and you've brought them in to use as a reference inside of Revit, sometimes you need to scale those drawings, and that's not a problem. So with the drawings selected, you will be able to use the scale tool, which is just up here, and you can click on the scale tool, and if you knew a particular measurement, say the measurement from this column to this column was actually 2 meters, we could type in 2000 and enter, and now the drawings have been scaled down. Okay, so you could scale them back up, is not a problem. We know that the measurement from the column to the column is actually 4230. So I'm going to press escape there. If we need to scale up, I make sure that the PDF is selected, and then get my scale tool, click on the edge of this column, drag across and click, and then type in 4230, and the drawing is scaled up and everything is how it should be. So it's as simple as that. If you need a reference inside of Revit, you can bring in a PDF, or you can bring in an image, and you can do exactly the same process. It's very simple, and these references can be incredibly helpful. So thanks for watching.